Hello, welcome to TechPoint YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn what is default interface method in C Sharp and what is the use of default interface method. So, it is the most important interview question that in C Sharp can you have the default inter interface method implementation or not. But in this is due to confusion that in C Sharp 8 we have option to define the default implementation for any interface member, but in the earlier version of C Sharp we have not any such option. So in C Sharp 8, since we can define the default implementation to any interface member, and original versions of C Sharp 8 we can't do that. So C Sharp 8 is available in .NET Core 3.x, which implements the .NET Standard 2.1. So let's quickly see what is the default method in C Sharp interface. So any interface member which have method definition, it is if it is whether it can be interface method, interface uh, properties, or interface indexers, right? You can have default implementation for any interface member. So if any interface member have default implementation, then it is called default interface implementation, right? And in this example we will see default interface method. So let's quickly see a practical demo for default interface method. Here I have created a simple console application program where I have created a interface iCustomer, in which I have defined a interface method with default body, where I am just simply returning the name, email ID of the customer, right? And also I have declared a simple interface method with no body. Whatever class inherit this iCustomer interface, it is the responsibility of the inheriting class to implement this interface method get customer name. If I have also created a class customer which implement the iCustomer interface. In this customer class I have implemented this customer name, which simply return the name of the customer. And in main method I have created the object of customer class, and with the help of this customer class object I can access the customer name method which the class customer has implemented, right? But I can't access the default method of interface with the help of this customer reference variable. If you try to do that, you will get a compile time error, right? If you and also if you have to access the default interface method get customer email, then you have to create the interface reference variable here, right? I have created the reference variable of type iCustomer, and with the help of iCustomer variable I can access the get customer email, which is the default interface method, and I can access the customer email. If you run this program, you can see I can get the customer name here and customer email here. So let's quickly if you try to access this customer email with class reference variable, so let's see what happens here quickly. And this is the class reference variable, guest customer, and let's see. Customer does not contain a definition for get customer email, right? So you cannot access the default interface method with the help of class reference variable directly. So you have to typecast in interface reference variable, or you have to create the interface reference variable for accessing the default members. So again, if you run this program, you can get the customer name and customer email address here. So thanks. You can find this article link in the description box. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to like and share this video.